All right, so let me show you the tool that changed everything about how I run my content. Because before I found this, I was doing something that I know a lot of you are doing too. I was posting live, like sitting down every single day, opening Instagram, TikTok, and posting it in real time. And I'll tell you what that felt like. It felt like a part time job I didn't sign up for. I mean, obviously, I'm trying to make this at some point a full time job, but this was more reactive. I was always scrambling. I just always felt like I was behind. So Buffer ended all of that for me. Today I'm showing you exactly how I use this to schedule 2 weeks of content, sometimes even a month, in just one sitting, and then just let it run. Quick intro. Hello, I'm Afiya, a single mom, 38, building a faceless digital marketing business from scratch and documenting everything. All of my links are in the description below. Scroll down and grab what you need after this. Okay, let's talk Buffer. I love this tool. It's really nice, actually. I'd highly recommend. I might do a separate video, just maybe doing a deep dive so you guys can like see exactly how I'm posting and uploading and so on and so forth. But I really do. I love this tool. Okay, so what is Buffer and why does it matter? At least it matters to me, right? Buffer is a social media scheduling tool. You upload your content, write your captions, set the date and time you want each post to go out. You can even um, have music attached. I do believe there's a way you can assign music to, let me see, yep, right here. So you can also, okay, placeholder. This reminds you of the kind of music that you want to add onto your specific reel or story or post. It's really cool. And then you have a little notify me here, so it won't automatically post because obviously you're flagging it that you need music attached to the reel or to the post. So yeah, you can either have it notify you that when you receive notification and you can do whatever, make it whatever changes you need before you post it, or if everything's ready to go, it'll just automatically slot it for that time to post to whatever channel you have. So again, really cool tool. So does the algorithm punish you for scheduling posts? The answer is no. And honestly, I didn't even think about that. I can see how that someone would question that, but the platforms themselves they've confirmed that it will not have any effect on your algorithm. So, but what does matter is that your content goes out consistently. Buffer just makes sure that happens. So before Buffer, I was inconsistent. Inconsistency is the one thing that kills growth faster than anything else. It can 100% lead to burnout, which is exactly what I was experiencing. So once a week, I sit down with all of my finished Canva videos and I upload everything at once. I open Buffer, I click create post, or in this case, just says post, and I select which platform that it's going to. So right here, you'll see all of your platforms, all the channels that you've connected will be right up here. I just have my Instagram. That I paste in the caption. I already wrote in Notion. I never write captions inside Buffer, just copy and paste. Then I pick the date and time, or I just click add to queue. So we have set date and time, can publish now, availability. They have different options here for you to use. And then hit schedule post, and then you're done. Easy. I do that for all 14 posts in one sitting. Once they're all in the queue, they go out on their own. My content is posting while I'm at work, while I'm with my kids, while I'm sleeping. This is what automation actually feels like. So let's recap. Before Buffer, 20 to 30 minutes every single day, just figuring out what to post and getting it live. That's about 3.5 hours a week just on posting, not creating, just the act of posting. With Buffer, 90 minutes once a week for my batch upload. That's all it takes. That is 2 hours of my life back every single week. 2 hours I can spend with my kids, 2 hours I can spend more on my YouTube content. When you're a single mom building a business and the margins of your day, that 2 hours is everything. It definitely means a lot. So when you get the chance, oops, let me go back. I think I need to go back. Oh no, this is lovely. Go to buffer.com and sign up for a free account. The free plan lets you connect up to 3 social channels and schedule up to 10 posts per channel. That is more than enough to get started. I just recently upgraded mine to, I do believe it's the Pro plan, where I pay $6 per month for just one channel. I would incorporate TikTok. I just don't see that happening right now, considering the fact that I'm scaling down, I'm scaling back my posting on TikTok to 2 days a week. So I don't really need to spend that extra $6 for another channel that I won't be using consistently. And when it comes to YouTube, I use YouTube Studio, so I don't really need to use Buffer. But as time goes on, who knows? Maybe I'll go ahead and upgrade and add those additional channels. So what you do is you'll then connect your platforms, you set your posting schedule, you do your first batch load. And if you want help building your whole content system, the Canva templates, the Notion setup, the Buffer schedule, everything working together, I offer a 30-minute content routine call. Just one call, and I'll help you build a system you can actually stick to. The link is in the description below. All my links are in the description. Free guide, stand store, the content routine call, everything's there. Subscribe if you want to keep following the journey. I'm posting every day this week. I'll see you in the next one.